Hi Modella, let's go over homework number 16, question number 8. We'll go ahead and click on the link that you sent me. And it's asking for, let's see. A study has a random sample of 29 subjects. The test statistic for testing H0 mu equals 250 is T equals 2.52. So you know what? They're giving you the test statistics already. I'm going to ask you to find the p-value. Find the approximate p-value for the alternative. Mu does not equal to 250. B, they want you to do the right tail probability. Mu is greater than 250. And the last one is mu is less than 250. So you got the first two, but then it's the last one. But I'm going to go ahead and talk about the last one and come back up and talk about how they got these two answers, okay? So C, find the p-value when the alternative HA is saying that mu is less than 250. When they say the alternative is mu is less than, the H naught value, or the mu naught value, then we have to find the left tail probability. And it's just setting the symbol to less than or equal to in our T calculator. So remember, this is T test statistic, not Z. So we're not going to use normal, but we're going to use T calculator. I was just going over another problem with another student on the same type, the T test statistic. So let's open that up, stat calculators and T. And say for the standard, we know that the degrees of freedom is what? If the sample size is 29, the degrees of freedom will be 28. Now the last one that we're going to do is that the alternative is stating that mu is less than 250. So remember the test statistic they gave you is 2.52. So really to just type in 2.52 over here and keep the symbol as less than or equal to for the alternative that is stating that it is less than 250. So the left tail probability, if I click on compute, here it is, 0.991 is going to be the answer. Let's talk about the other one. The first one, well, the one that's right above it. Find the p-value for the alternative that mu is greater than 250. I mean, this is just going to be switching the sign to greater than or equal to over here. And if you click OK, they're going to give you 0.0088. But if you round that up, you will get 0.009. That's how they got that one. Now the first one is you're gonna have to find the p-value, and that one, it's just asking for the two tail. You see, mu is not greater than or equal to 250. So what you can think is, using the symmetry, if this little red section is 0.009, 0.009 times 2, because we're about to have that same exact piece of left tail going on over here for the two-sided. The answer is going to be 0.018. That's how they got the answer for the first one over here. So definitely try the similar question. I can just open one up. The random sample has 46 subjects. So what I know is that the sample size is 45. The test statistic they gave me is 1.67. And you notice how the mu doesn't really, the mu naught value doesn't really matter over here because they gave us a T test statistic already. That's the hardest thing to say for me. So if I go ahead and find the one tail first, I get 0.051. So what I'm going to do is 0.051 times 2 to find the two tail, which is 0.102. And the next one will be 0.051. No, I forgot. 0.051, yep. And the last one, you can use the complement. You can go ahead and subtract 1 minus 0.051 if you want to, or you can go ahead and just switch the sign to the other side and you can find 0.949 just like that. Uh-oh. What was it? 9, okay. So the idea was to use the T calculator to find the probability, either the right tail, left tail, or two tail. But once you are given the T test statistic, you just have to enter that and the degrees of freedom and change the symbol. So definitely try the similar question and let me know if you have any other questions, okay?